Very good evening, guys. I'm recording this video after a long time. Today's date is 23rd May, and I'm recording this at night 10 o'clock 28 minutes. You can see the date here, 23rd May. So the purpose of this video is to introduce our new software where we have made lot of changes on algo trading. As you all know, we deal with algo trading with Alice Blue, and this is the new version which I have introduced after a long time with all the back test and checking the bugs, and we have all fixed the bugs whatever earlier we were facing the issues. So this is the application where we get, and here we have built two tools. One is the bridge where the broker will be connected using the Excel application, and the other tool is to get the analysis of the trades, what all trades we place and what all trades is getting executed. Those things we can keep analyzing in the real market. And we have an option of paper trading. We have built an option for paper trading and live trading, and also we have created a algo trailing stop loss. The other beauty is we have a trailing stop loss feature where automatically that once the trade is executed it will get a trailing stop loss. And the other option is telegram alerts. Telegram alerts is the one of the major demand, what you can say, that most of the clients were asking, that they used to go for office, and while they on the system in their VPS, or maybe they on the system in their home, they may not be able to see the exact alerts what it's happening on the system. So we have created a telegram alerts where you can create your telegram bot, and directly you will be getting the alerts in the bots. So one by one we will go with the features. So this is the main application which we have. Once we run this, it will be getting connected in maybe it may take hardly 2 minutes. It will get connected. The other tool which I am talking about is this trade analysis tool. I'll just open this tool which is already opened. Okay, here is the analysis tool where you will be getting all the trade information. Whatever orders is getting placed in the broker trade system, those things will be getting over here, and it will be, you have an option to get the data refresh rate also, time with time seconds. Okay, what I will do is I will just enable this, and I will try to refresh this on every 2 seconds, or we can even refresh it 1 second. Okay, so I just set as 2 seconds. Now you can see here every 2 seconds it is getting changed. And here you can get the day trends also, whatever orders is being placed in your system using the paper trade or live trade, all the data it will be stored in your local system, and accordingly you can filter them and you can do the back test. Okay, here is a filter manually. If you want to customize your date, you can customize your dates, and this is the instruments which is already been traded. Okay, and this is we are running, maybe this is the first day we are running this. The last day which we done a trade, test trade, it is showing as this one. You can see here silver trader we had done on May 5th. You can see here May 5th we done one small quantity and we just tested. After that we all traded today, that is on 23rd May. You can see all the trades is executed on 23rd May. So one by one we'll go with the futures now. Okay, this is the trade summary where you will be getting all the trade details, how many trades have been completed. One buy and one sell is called as one trade. Okay, this is how it will be get counted. And here you will be getting the trade history with entry. Okay, say for example this is the trade where it is all entry, these are all entry, and once it is exited you will be getting this as completed. Okay, so for example today's Nifty 24,500 entry was this one at 9 o'clock 48 minutes, buy trade 405.70 paisa, and this was exit was at this point. You can see here this point. Okay, one moment, 24,500 and 24,500. Okay, here was a exit. You can see entry was at 9 o'clock 48 minutes, exit was at 10 o'clock 21 minutes. This is how it will work. And then this was the entry price, you can see it. Okay, so guys, you can see here buy was at 24,500, call option 9 o'clock 48 minutes, and this trade exited. Here you can see completed, that means exited. Here you can see entry price, here it is showing as entry 405.70 paisa, but exit it is showing as pending. Here you can see this trade is completed. So when was this completed? At this time, 10 o'clock 16 minutes, and you can see the numbers here. 405.70 by 422.60 paisa sold, and total quantity was 150. Accordingly, the profit would be 2535. Same way it will be showing everywhere. Okay, whatever buy and sell is completed, it will be showing in detail here. And this is the chart where you will be getting a line chart, and you can see the performance. And this is also a P&L distribution chart, and this is a hourly profit making chart, so that you can analyze how by what time you will be making profits using this strategy. Okay, here we have a other tool. This is all trade detailed analysis. You can see here weekends. Today it is 8 trade total, we have done 8 trades. Okay, this is how it will be giving the reports. Okay, this is a detailed analysis, and this is a hourly analysis. You can see over here by 10 o'clock we had you can see here by 10 o'clock we had around I'll just filter it out with daily trade, so that it will be showing you proper data. I'll just change the date here to day and then apply it. Okay, it's getting loaded here. Here you can see all the trade analysis reports. Okay, P&L, win rate, everything you can see over here. This is how it works. I hope you got an idea. And the first thing is, major thing is here, current file. You have to browse this here, browse JSON file. Okay, this will be our main software internal folder. Here you have a file called trade history. Once you load this, it will be getting automatically saved. First time you have to just load it. From next time it will be keep automatically it will get loaded. Okay, so this is all about the trade analysis tool. Maybe in my next video I'll be showing you how the live trades will get placed, and how it will be showing in this chart. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you. For next video I'll be showing you the complete demo about my live algo trading software in next video, and in this description I'll be showing you the link also. You can watch that video as well. Thank you for watching this video. Good day.